The wind was howling and the beams were screaming, but the air was a different sound, one more frightening, like a million sharp knives slashing the roof, cutting the barn, trying to get in. Katrina was so frightened that she started to scream, but Mama and Papa were already there wrapping them up in quilts. Papa, what is it? Asked Katrina, shaking with fright. Ice storm. We're moving you girls downstairs in case the roof caves in under the weight of the snow. Mama put Katrina and Josie on a feather bed under the table. Now try to sleep. See them? They're under the table. But Katrina couldn't fall asleep.